This is our Cell Supervisory Circuit.
Let's go.
My name is Felix, I'm from Car Racing, and here you can see our Cell Supervisory Circuit. It's our name for our slave on the our BMS slave on these cell stacks. On here we have like the monitoring of the cell voltages and the cell temperatures for all of our battery cells. Racing is the Formula student team of the KIT, the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. The Formula student is the biggest engineering competition worldwide right now, and we build like small F1 like electric cars right now. We build it all by ourselves in around 1 year of developing, manufacturing, testing, and then going to events. That's one of the year we do. This year at the events we were quite successful. Getting 2 times the second place, 1 time third place. We're quite proud of our car we built last year and try to improve it next year, of course.